guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best canopy frames.
Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Starting at number 10, we have the black sunburst Design Canopy Bed. The first canopy frame on the list is this sunburst designed Canopy Bed 1. This queen-sized bed is made using wrought iron and is a wonderful addition to your room. It measures 84 inches in length and is a great canopy bed frame. This bed comes with canopy finials, canopy rails, canopy posts, footboard, and the headboard. You only need to assemble this bed, which is not too hard. The material used for this bed gives it a nice and sleek look. Moving on, at number 9, we have the modern LeAnn iron metal canopy bed. The next canopy bed frame on the list is this artistically embellished canopy frame. Despite having a classic and clean look, this item is lovely and can be a great addition to your huge bedroom. With this selection, you can make your room more welcoming to anyone who enters. The bed has graceful lines, and it is embellished with scroll accents, making it look exquisite. Whether you leave the canopy frame as it is or if you add fabric to it, the entire thing looks extremely elegant and complements all decor well. The bed also has a cherry finish, which gives the frame a nice and soothing glow. At number 8, we have the Motor Design Canopy Bed. This 4-post canopy frame is the ideal representation of sophistication and elegance and is the most suitable bed for having an amazing sleep. The bed has a modern design and comes with fine and intricate detailing. There is no additional foundation required for this bed, and it can handle up to 500 pounds. Moreover, you also don't need any box spring for this bed. The bed has a sturdy and robust metal frame as its base. It has solid metal feet along with extra support in the center, thus providing sufficient structure, as well as comfort, all night. The metal slats make sure that the air moves freely around the mattress so that it stays fresh for the coming years. The circular finials and the metal lines give this canopy frame a modern look. At number 7, we have the DHP Modern Metal Canopy Platform Bed. This canopy frame by DHP is the classic metal framed bed redesigned. This version of the canopy bed frame is a combination of style and simplicity. The gunmetal gray color of the canopy frame gives it a look suitable for all settings. Just add your favorite curtains and enjoy a romantic and personal touch. The sleek square lines of the bed's design give it a nice finish. The bed features 22 metal slats which provide sufficient comfort and support. Moreover, no additional foundation or box spring is required for this canopy bed frame. At number 6, we have the DHP Rosedale Metal Canopy Bed Frame. This Rosedale canopy frame made using metal is a modern bed frame that gives the room a personalized and attractive look. This sleek queen-sized bed has a sturdy and robust structure which will surely last for a long time. Simply add your favorite fabric or your favorite curtains to the canopy frame and have fun sleeping in a serene space. At number 5, we have the Canopy Poster Bed. Despite being quite simple, this canopy bed frame has meticulous details, thus giving this frame an elegant look. It is an exceptional combination of the canopy bed with modern lines and styling. The frame itself is also quite beautiful, thus making the bed a great addition to your room to make it look more elegant. At number 4, we have the DHP Metal Canopy Kids Platform Bed. The next canopy frame on the list is quite a modern one. With this canopy frame by DHP, you can make your bedtime even more refreshing. The headboard, as well as the footboard, has an embellished heart design which provides the canopy frame with an elegant and fun look, thus making it a good addition to your room. At number 3, we have the Metal Canopy Bed. With this beautiful and elegant canopy bed frame, you can add a classic touch to the guest room or to your bedroom too. This bed is manufactured for use with box springs and twin-size mattress. The black powder coat finish is easy to pair up with the modern look of your rooms. At number 2, we have the DHP Modern Metal Canopy Platform Bed. With this modern canopy bed frame, you can ensure that your guests or your kids have a good night's sleep. Apart from being eye-catching, this modern bed can easily match your decor. Adding drapes is easy and quick, overall, making this a good addition to the room. And finally at number 1, we have the bedroom metal canopy frame. Despite being a classic, simple canopy bed frame, this canopy frame is stylish and sleek. The square lines of the metal frame give this bed a look that is suitable for any setting. The frame has a sleek silhouette, along with 22 metal slats for comfort and support. It also comes with a 1-year warranty.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.